Well, this question says that Sam, Joe, and Jim had a total of $3,600. Joe received $200 from Sam and gave $900 to Jim. In return, Jim gave $600 to Sam. Then they all had the same amount of money. How much did Joe have at first? Well, this question sounds complicated. It's always before and after. So for such a question, it's either we start the model with before or after. For this case here, we start with after, or usually we start with after. So in the end, or the after, is that they all had the equal amount. So we draw the models for Sam, Joe, and Jim to be equal in length. And the total remains the same, 3,600. That means to say that in the end, all of them had $1,200 each. Okay, so then we work backwards. Before reaching the end, what happened? Jim gave 600 to Sam. All right. Before Jim gave 600 to Sam, right? So now we have to take from Sam 600 and give it back to Jim. All right. Then we move backward to the next statement. It says that Joe gave 900 to Jim. Joe gave 900 to Jim. So now we have to take from Jim and give it back to Joe. All right, $900. We do that. We take from Jim and give it back to Joe, $900. Then lastly, it says that Joe received 200 from Sam. So we have to take from Sam. Okay, it was taken from Sam and given to Joe $200. So now we have to take from Joe 200 and give to Sam. We do that. Right? So in the very end, it says that how much did Joe have at first. This is the model of at first. Okay, the first state. So at first, according to the model of Joe here, at first is Joe had 1,200 here, plus 600 plus 100. So altogether, $1,900. Hence, we say that Joe had $1,900 at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.